Hello, welcome to our channel Computer Base. Today we are going to discuss about arrays in PHP. There are three types of array: indexed array, associative array, and multidimensional array. First we will see indexed array. I think before doing PHP you must have learned C or any other programming languages, mainly C. In C we have learned arrays. Okay, and their indexes starts with 0, it's by default, and this indexed array in PHP is same as the array we have used, we have done in C programming. Okay, it is by default in PHP array. When we write any array, then it's by default indexed array in PHP. We can store numbers, strings, and objects in PHP arrays. Okay, let's have a look of example how to write indexed array. Okay, to give you a clear understanding that what is indexed array, what is associative array, and what is multidimensional array, I have used these headings here. So between these headings we will write the indexed array. I will write it in PHP code. Here we can use PHP code in HTML. Okay, between HTML codes actually, but extension is PHP. Here you can notice. Okay, first we will create a variable where we will store our array. To declare array, first we have to write an array function which is array, and there is another way to declare an array is giving it b as name, and as it's same as other languages. Okay, first we will see this array. We will give some fruits name here as example, and apple. We can print it using only one function. Other languages we use some loops, for loops, while loops, but here we can use only one function and our whole array will be printed. We will use printer function. Printer function is used to print the sequence of numbers, strings, arrays, etc. Okay, here we will give the array variable name a and see how it looks. Okay, this is printed, but it's a clumsy, I think. In one line it's getting clumsy. To give it a proper look, we can use pre-tag. In PHP we can also add HTML codes like this pre-tag. Okay, here we will end the pre-tag, and yes, it's a proper look. Okay, no clumsiness. One more function I can use to print a whole array is var dump. It's similar to printer, but here it gives the full details of this array variables, array values. When I will show you, you can understand. We'll give array variable name and let's see. Okay, here it's saying how many values this array contains, 3 values, and the value is string. Its range is 5, it's 6, and it's 5. Okay, this means you can clearly recall it that it's dumping everything about the array. Okay, here we can use a loop called for each loop, which is mainly used for array. We are writing for each. It's here is the syntax. So first we will write for each loop, its keyword, and then the array variable name a as again one variable, and we can use this variable to access this array. Okay, let me show you. Here we will use echo. To print only one statement we use echo, but print a sequence of numbers we use printer or var_dump. Okay, here we will write x, this x variable. Okay, here you can see mango, orange, apple line by line, and this is how we can print this indexed array. And now I will give this example also. Here I'm also going to write these array names. Oh my god, goodness. Okay, and we can access it. We can access actually both by this, by writing the array index number. Suppose I want to print this orange, so here I will write 1 and I will echo it. Okay, here you can see orange. And also like B, we can use A also. A, variable A, and it will also print the same, but now we want to print the apple, so we will write 2. You can see here I didn't give B a text, so it's in line. Okay, by this we can print the indexed array. Now associative array. Okay, in indexed array I said you that we also call it numerical array. Why? Because the index are defined as numbers, but in associative array we define the indexes as string. um, Suppose which example we have got in indexed array, there mango, orange and apple. If you want to say that which season fruit is mango, then we can say mango is summer season fruit. Then you want to give the index as string, I mean index as mango, and then the summer as value. But the index number of mango in indexed array is 0. Then if we give 0 equals to summer, then what that means? So for that case associative array comes. Here we can give the example of associative array, but associative first know that associative array is defined as in key value pair. Here we will know how to write associative array. We'll just copy it. Okay, here we will how to define associative arrays. Here we will give a equal, then this greater than sign, and now we will write summer. Okay, that means the mango is the key, I mean the index here, and the summer is value. So key value pair. Okay, and in orange is which season fruit? Winter. Okay, here orange is key, I mean index, and it's the winter is value, key value pair. Apple, here we will write monsoon. we will write printer. We can also define whole the array using printer and vardim. Okay, here the array variable name and see what happens. Oh, I forgot to give p tag here. Okay. Here you can see that it is the index. Okay, it is the index here. Here it is the index, but here the index is mango orange. Okay, so these are the indexes here, and these are the values here. Key value pair. Okay, you can also define it as for each loop. You can also print actually it in for each loop. First, I want to show you how to write it in vardim. It's same in vardim. Okay, here you see. Here it says the values we use in array. In array, this full is defined as value. Okay, for array, this full is defined as value. So this is one value, this is second, and this is third. So number of value in this array is 3. Okay, and here you can see its key. It's the value, and here it's giving the data type and the size 6 7 and 6 and here 7. Okay, so for each loop, and here we can also get the keys. Also we can also print the keys, only the keys, not by using this b variable. I'm commenting it, and we can get the keys from this array a variable by using array keys function. I'm going to declare it as k and array keys function. Okay, here we will write a variable and let's print it, printer, and here we will write k variable because k variable contains the array keys. This mango, orange, and apple will be printed now. Let's see. Oh, sorry, I didn't save it. Now see, here it's printed, and here you can see the indexes are 0. Okay, let me show you. Here the indexes are 0 and the values are mango, orange, and apple. And we can also use for each loop here. Here I'm gonna write for each. Here the variable name, variable name, and as write x, but we have to give this equal to and greater than, and one more variable that will be v, maybe v value. Okay, because we have to present that how the associative array is written here. Here you can see it's written, here is used equals to greater than arrow, and here we have to represent it just like that. Okay, now we can print it. At the place of key we should uh, give x, and at the place of values we will give v. Okay, and now echo. Okay, it will print that mango is a fruit of summer season, orange is a fruit of winter season, and apple is a fruit of monsoon. Okay, now let's print it. Oh, I forgot to give a beard tag here. Now it's okay. Mango is a fruit of summer season, orange is a fruit of winter, and apple is monsoon. That's how we can print associative array. Okay, now multidimensional array. We write array inside array in the multidimensional array. It can be 2D, 3D, 4D, and can go continuous in more deep. So here I can create a diagram. Just think this box is an array, and we are going to create another box inside this box. There's another array which we have created inside these bigger array, and here we can create one more array, and this full is called three-dimensional array. 3D array. Okay, here I'm writing it. I'm sorry. Here I can write its full is in 3D array. So let's understand it using the program of a multidimensional array. Here I will show how to write the multidimensional array. I will copy it. Okay, we will put this array inside array. Okay, and here we will create one more array. Let's see, that will be the seasons. Copy it. Okay, now here we can print it using printer again. And I'm writing headdump here. I'm showing two methods. Let's run it here. Oh, it's too clumsy. I'm going to write it here pre-tag. Here you can see it's the main array, and here the second array, which is this array. Okay, and this is one more array, which is this array here. Okay, it's defined as in printer, and it's headdump. Okay, it's saying that there consist two arrays. It's one array and it's second array. Here it's showing the data type and its size. Also here also. Okay, and you may think that how can I access this using the loop. Here we can't use only the for each loop, here we have to use the for loop also. So let's see how can we use it. Just write a loop here equals to 0. I less than, here we are going to count this array number. Okay, this array range of this array. How can we count it? See variable name, and we are going to use count function here, and our array variable name, and the index 0 means index 0 means here we are defining this array. Okay, so the range of these first array mango, orange and apple will be same as the winter array, season array. Okay, here we will just write C variable and I++. Inside it we'll print first we will print this mango, and then first we are going to print this mango. We will write A here. Inside A I'm going to write 0 and then I. Here same as this, but the first index will be changed 1 because we are defining this array here, showing you this array. Okay, sorry. Let's run it. Oh sorry, I forgot to give beer tag here. Here you can see mango is a fruit of summer season and the rest of like this. Okay, so that's it for multidimensional array. And if you understand PHP array now, then you can access this understand array variable. Okay, thank you.